Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, the 24th of May. Oh my word, we've had such a crazy up, down, round week. So much mixed news. But why don't we just get straight into the latest and greatest crypto news right now within the space? At the time of me making these videos, every single figure and fact in the data is correct. Anyway, Bitcoin, $26,718. In the last 24 hours, that's a decrease of 2.37%. Ethereum, $1,816. That's in the last 24 hours down 2.7%. BNB is currently at $309 and that is down 1.8%. And XRP Army, you're going to be crying today. This is at 45 cents and it's down just under 2%. And finally, BGB token is at 46 cents and that is the only token up right now, in my opinion, that I'm investing in. It's up 0.32%. Well, let's have a look at how that has affected our ranges and the way of which that we are trading. Okay, so just a reminder, the upper of this range is $27,630-ish. Let's have a look at the bottom of the range. The lower of this range is $24,780. Now, as you can see, yesterday we saw this significant pump on the chart. And it was a significant candle. You know, that candle looked pretty attractive. It looked as if we could challenge the top of this range, but we immediately rejected just beneath it. And what followed has next come. And we could potentially see a lower of Bitcoin around $26,200 pretty soon, in my opinion, because this is the next range that we need to test in the immediate future. Of course, when we're talking about ranges, we're highlighting a much wider timescale, but in the short term, we really need to monitor the number $26,200-ish. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it plays out. But what's the story with Ethereum? Ethereum paints the exact same picture. You saw this impressive spike up, but what is very different is the spike down. As you can see on Bitcoin, it dramatically came further down than it has done in the last few days. Just a reminder of the upper of this range. The upper of this range is $1,950, and the lower of the range is $1,730. In my opinion, the key number, the key information around Ethereum today is $1,790. Around this mark is going to be crucial to see how low we go and where we test. Let's see if we can get a bounce up and let's see where it goes. Now, crypto bubbles always paints the picture to show us how the market is performing. And oh my word, it is an awfully red chart, like table, whatever you want to call this. This is why I like crypto bubbles. Visually, just looking at numbers all the time, sometimes, I don't know, just doesn't do it for me. But when I look at this, I see very visually where there's opportunity. I'm not going to say what those opportunities are in this video because I think it's inappropriate and I don't want to be giving financial advice. But I may consider covering this in a future video. Anyway, let's have a bit of a recap on what's going on here. Sui is down 6.4%, Sand is down 5.7%, AVAX is down 3.8%, Elgorand is down 3.3%, Shiba down 3.2%, Mina down 3.1%. Now let's talk about meme coins because we like to cover them on here all the time, and we've got an interesting news story coming on here later today around meme coins, but let's have a look at how they've performed. Shiba down 3.1%, Dogecoin down 3.35%, Pepe down 6.1%, Floki down 3.3%, Baby Doge down 1.5%, and Bonk down 5.2%. So the whole consensus of the market, you would say, is down. And we saw the incredible dump on Bitcoin and Ethereum. But how did the Bitcoin specifically affect the BRC 20 tokens? Now, for me, this is the first time that every token within its ecosystem so far has followed the trend of Bitcoin. Normally, there's a few that perform in a very different way. And we've been monitoring this for the last week and a half, maybe a little bit longer. Anyway, let's look at some of those tokens. BIP1 is down 6%. Ordinals down 18.4%. NALS is down 35%. VMPX is down 27%. Pepe1 is down 6.8%. Meme is down 15.7%. Pizza is down 34.6%. The volatility on these BRC 20 tokens is insane. And when it's insane, personally, as a trader, I see opportunity. Now, I'm not going to push it any further. Go and ask the questions, go and do your research, and see what opportunities you can find. Let's look at some of the latest news. Now, Elon Musk has come out and warned investors not to bet the farm on Dogecoin. Now, there's lots of rumors Now, is Elon going to create a Twitter-specific token or anything like that in the future? Now, is this an indication that that is the case and it's not going to be Dogecoin? It's very interesting language. Don't bet the farm on Dogecoin. I mean, we don't want to draw conclusions without it being confirmed from the horse's mouth. But for me, this is why I don't like Doge. It's based too much on speculation. The next article, and a mysterious Memecoin Hunter has made $1 million in 30 days by trading 104 tokens. This just shows the volatility, how extreme some of these tokens are. You can make a load of money, but I just want to remind people you can lose it just as fast. When it comes to meme tokens, the majority of them are built on nothing other than hype, and hype often dies rather fast. So you have to be careful, take profits off the table, and don't get emotionally attached to a meme coin. At the end of the day, it's a meme coin. Is it going to be here when regulations come? Potentially not. Is it going to be here in 5 years' time? I would say almost certainly not. Okay, let's move on to the next story. So breaking, Hong Kong allows retail investors to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and other crypto. Now this is huge news. And after enticing crypto leaders to establish firms and exchanges, Hong Kong is going to allow retail investors to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies according to sources familiar with the matter. Now amid the clampdown against crypto in several leading economies, Hong Kong is leveraging this opportunity to increase its dominance as the city's crypto hub that attracts global crypto exchanges and firms. For me, this is a tremendous forward step coming out of Hong Kong. Clearly, they're forward thinking. They're wanting to attract as many people from the crypto, blockchain, Web3 industry to jump in and go and take their trade, their investment over to Hong Kong. It's a very smart move, in my opinion. Okay, the next story this is kind of on par. Should digital assets and cryptocurrencies be regulated globally? Now let's strip that back 1 minute. If you think about cryptocurrency in its purest form, the ability to send payment is very easy. In fact, the biggest pull for it to me is cryptocurrency, the blockchain, is borderless. I can send it to anybody, anywhere in the world. Maybe even the NASA Space Center if they've got internet. So out of this world. So let's see, how is that regulated? And each country, it's not like traditional finance. When you get your salary, you pay your taxes, everything like that. You know what you can buy, there's rules. If I want to send money back to England, there's different rules than there is here in Dubai. In crypto, does that really need to happen? Can there be one universal rule book of which everybody agrees and everybody follows? This truly excites me. When people really get on to what we're passionate about within the crypto space, and that is blockchain technology, the blockchain allows everything that we've just discussed. Why be so narrow-minded as to have each individual country just have their own rule book? The blockchain allows us to have a universal rule of which we all agree and we all do the right thing. It's food for thought, that's for sure. Now, one positive story here is a 1 year Bitcoin HODling has hit an all-time high. Now, according from data from Glassnode, more and more Bitcoin holders are choosing to keep their coins long-term instead of selling them for a quick profit. Now, of course, you're probably saying, well, Jamie, look at Bitcoin chart. It's an absolute mess. It's gone down a lot, in the last 12 months. Of course, people are going to hold it because they're at a loss. But this is key data. People aren't cutting the losses and running away. They're seeing the long-term vision and seeing, well, Bitcoin's going to come back. This, when you put a positive narrative on it, is tremendous news. And finally, I just wanted to really celebrate some of the great things that I've been doing over here in Dubai and share it with you. So in the last few days, I've attended so many events, so many meetings, met so many amazing people. And here's just a highlight that I've tweeted over on my Twitter page. Had a fantastic few days over in Dubai with BitGet Global, interviewed some of the greatest minds and educators within the Web3 space. That includes Da Vinci, the $1 Bitcoin man, in my opinion, the Bitcoin father. Coin Bureau, in my opinion, yet again, one of the best content creators in the space. And it's just a celebration of some of the amazing things that I've been able to get up to so far in Dubai. Now, none of that would be possible without you guys supporting me. Thank you so much. I believe we're going to find out about my TikTok appeal very soon, so stay tuned for that. But do you know what? I think we should just come over to YouTube full time. I'm preferring it. If you do like today's video, hit that like button. Please do drop me a comment, and it helps me a lot if you subscribe. I hope you have a fantastic day. You enjoyed the latest crypto news today. I'll see you tomorrow, but most importantly, Let's go.